Good afternoon, students. Today in this video we are going to learn about the verb tense changes. We have already discussed about the tenses of simple present tense for direct and indirect speech. In direct and indirect speech, simple present tense changed to simple past tense. So the tense that we are going to discuss today in direct and indirect speech is present continuous tense. First, understand what is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is a tense when the work is going on at present. Okay, and there we use the helping verb which is used for present tense and the ing form of the main verb. Ing means singing, dancing, playing. Whenever ing is added to any of the verb, then it becomes a continuous form. Okay, that was one thing. The other thing is, when we write the sentence, whenever a sentence is there in a direct speech and it is in present continuous tense. Now when we transform it into indirect speech, it becomes past continuous tense, meaning the verb changes to verb shows past. Okay, so over here understand it with an example. The sentence that I have written over here is, he said, I am going to school. This is the direct speech. The first sentence that you're seeing over here is direct speech. What is the tense? The tense is present continuous. Go is the verb. Go is the main verb, the base verb. But when I have added ing to it, it becomes continuous. And we have already discussed the form of be is am are. Okay. So am is used with I. Okay. And am is also form of be. So that is why this sentence, this speech, this portion which is quoted is direct speech. He said, comma, and within the quotation mark we have the direct speech. He said, I am going to school, meaning he was going to school. Okay, the work was being done by him. Who was going to school? He. Okay. Now we have to change it into indirect. Now indirect, the first rule what we have to do, the first thing that we have to do while writing an indirect speech is to take the direct speech out of the quotation mark, out of the inverted commas. Okay. Now when we are taking the direct speech out of the inverted commas, the quotation mark, we have to use that, the conjunction that. Why are we using that? Because that is used as a conjunction which joins two sentences. Okay. So now he said that. He said that. Who was going to school? He was going to school, not you. Okay, he said that he was going to school. Okay, am changed to was. Is, am, are is the present form. Was, were is the past form. Okay, going will remain the same. But with this helping verb was, this sentence, this indirect speech changed into past continuous. So remember, student, that it is a rule. Whenever you are forming an indirect speech and the direct speech is given to you in present continuous, it will change to past continuous tense. That is a rule. If you want to note it down, please note it down. And if you have any confusion, please ask me on WhatsApp. Okay. So for today, this was the example. Try to understand it, and if you have any confusion with it, please ask. Thank you.